Just a quick update on the 123 wagon that was getting restored a couple of years ago. Today I helped sort out the K-Jetronic injection system. The lines were not arranged in a safe manner and were fouling the linkages, so it could actually get stuck on wide open throttle. The other thing I did was sort out the fuel pump relay, which is the leftmost one there. And I've also wired in the factory electric window harness for the front and rear, exactly as the factory has done it. So there was no chopping and changing wiring or anything, and it does have the correct Australia version single relay instead of the UK or others with two. As you can see, this car has been painted inside and out, and it's going to look basically brand new when it's completed. This is just a view of the other side. As you can see, it's looking pretty damn good. It's in the process of getting reassembled. So this is the spare fuse panel that I used as a reference, and I removed the mounting block off the left-hand side for the electric windows that was not fitted to this car. And what came in extreme handy, surprisingly, was this Haynes manual with its wiring diagrams, because I could not find wiring diagrams anywhere. Fortunately, it was all there, and it made the job quite easily. That's the first time I've had a use for one of those books. And that's just showing the harness is fully installed in all four doors. And we have tested it as well, and it works perfectly. So we just need to find some regulators or buy new ones, and it's good to go. And that is that fuel pump relay. We discovered an issue with that, and it was just the two connectors here were actually swapped around. That was easy to diagnose because I wasn't getting the right signal when that metering flap was pressed down for the safety shutoff. The car would not run without jumping that, so that was pretty simple. And yeah, that's just the roof rails. You can see they've been re-chromed, along with many other things, so yeah, it's looking good. No doubt Nathan will have some more updates on his channel.